Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize emote wheel in NBA2K26 My Career. So right now if I use my emote wheel button, you're gonna see the wheel, and right here I only have one emote. And in order to add multiple emotes here, what we need to do, just hold your emote wheel button and you're gonna see your emote wheel. So while holding the emote wheel button, we need to hit Y on Xbox. If you have PlayStation, just hit triangle and you're gonna see the section for city emotes. Right here you have all the slots which are on our emote wheel. You can choose the particular slot and put any emote you would love to add there. Let's say on the second slot I would love to add emote this one, hard work. I can just select that. You can easily add multiples if you like. Let's say I don't want standing emote, but instead I would love to go for team modes. I can just select that from here. You can see that they have added the hard work, and we do have hard work here, so we can just easily change that to none. Similarly, we can easily add here something like default. And yeah, this is exactly how you can customize your emote wheel. To save these changes, just get back from this. Now if I hold my emote wheel button, I'm gonna see all the emotes which we have added. And that's exactly how you can customize your emote wheel in NBA2K26 My Career. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.